Welcome to Demolition Ranch. We are going to see what some bullets sound like in flight. 300 yards down this way, we have a camera, and we're going to be firing at a target that's 100 yards behind that, so the bullet will pass straight past it. The camera has a really good external microphone on it, so it should catch the sound perfectly. We're going to fire a 308 out of this AR-15, AR-10, whatever you want to call it, and then we're going to fire the 50 BMG out of the Barrett. So here we go.
Firing.
Cool.
Firing.
I'm going to try something different. I was shooting from right up over here where that telephone pole is. I'm going to shoot from up there again, firing this direction all the way across the pasture. I'm going to leave this camera right here kind of pointed in that direction, so it'll catch the sound as that bullet flies across the pasture, going kind of across the camera's view. I'm going to leave that other camera up there. I'll fire 2 shots on this one so you can kind of hear both of them in succession. So I'm going to leave this camera here and back up right over behind that telephone pole and take a shot. Hope that sounded cool. Thanks for watching Demolition Ranch.